Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create channels in Telegram. In order to do that, just click on the pencil icon that you can see right here, and then click on continue and allow it. Now from in there, you should be able to see some options right here. Click on this new group and then add some people that you want for this case. Once you have added them, just click on this next icon right here and then just head over and then name it. For example, let's name it as friends. Now click on this check right here, and as you can see, this has been created. You can also have the option to add another member that you want in here as well, and then from in there, you can head over and then just try to just edit it out. Like for example, you can click on this pencil icon again, you can change the group type, the chat history, the topics, reactions, permissions, and a lot more. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and try our best to answer. Thanks.